Outsiders without proper documents are being checked at foreigners police checkpost Jiribam. Around 300 individuals enters Manipur on daily basis. MPCC President Gaikangam lambasted BJP-led government for enacting a divide and win policy and not divide and rule policy. UCM appeals to reaffirm the decision taken by the state government regarding Naga Framework Agreement in State Assembly monsoon session, which starts tomorrow. Former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley cremated with full state honours at the Nigam Board Ghat in presence of leaders from across the political spectrum. And rice quota increased for Manipur. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan laments that Manipur does not take any other PDS items other than rice. Kurumjani, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Foreigners Police Checkpost Jiribam has been examining the outsiders who are entering the state without proper documents through an online mobile app. The police personnel in the checkpost at Jiribam Bridge has been checking people entering from Assam meticulously. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, in charge of the checkpost sub-inspector Y. Lakesh Jan stated that as per the orders of Manipur government to take outsiders without proper documents from entering the state, police stations at border areas has been keeping a strict vigil. As such, Jiribam police has been taking up strict security measures regarding the same. He added vehicles coming towards Imphal from Silchar are being checked 3 times at different areas from Jiribam Bridge till Lengang Pokpi, maintaining that around 300 people are entering Manipur on daily basis from other states through Jiribam. Lakesh Jan stated that those people are being checked with the help of an online mobile app. Lakesh Jan also stated that at least 5 people without proper documents are being sent back every day from the checkpost. He appealed people to report to the nearby police station immediately if anyone found any individuals without proper documents.
Sirgi Imphal bukla chakadaba gari aiji de yaw passenger jing moina poraiba document je valid oibra incomplete oibra che chang je saraga force to lakra duplicate sar ma'am lak bujawi adu ma'am do khoina online through online app se download toraga mobile gi khang dagi online check toga mi je amu akoina khidang dog leibo oigana ma je personally inquiry toga hanga khotlaga sumbra khopra yenga fadana verify toga movement tobani adu dei du da kaigumba mi je khoina verify tobuda yadabdo aduduna moije document je khoina asaba poragana khoina fazalaga maje chalhandaba khogi any illegal immigrants kum hoegana moije pharaga khoina further verification gi damakta khoi concerned police station da piraga moije verified.
President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Gaikangam lambasted the BJP-led government for enacting a divide and rule policy and not divide and rule policy. He was speaking at the one-day interaction program for booth-level Congress workers organized by Yashkul Block Congress Committee at Thangapat Mapal Community Hall in Yashkul constituency today. Gaikangam asserted that the event was held with an aim for the Congress to secure a minimum 45 seats out of the 60 seats in the Manipur State Assembly election to be held on 2022. He maintained that the interaction event among the members of the party and public in the grassroots level was held to set right to the mistakes of the party and to strengthen the party. He condemned Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government for the recent abrogation of Article 370 and 35A from Jammu and Kashmir.
प्रजा सेवा खान तौबियो अखन ऑडिशन तौबे फजन तौबियो अखन फमुनरगा लीडर मुनरगा प्रजा मणिपुरी प्रजा वाय वहन दिगनु ने नाता सही मंगा फाउदी इरेन नु हाइबिसु बक्सा दसा.
Taking part in the program, former Chief Minister, come leader of CLP, Okrami Bobby, stressed the need for the BJP-led government in the state to monitor the projects, mainly the railway project initiated by the centre. Welcoming the good deeds initiated by the state, he maintained that there is a right to criticize the government for its false conduct.
Sida Manipur dasu department ki officers inje ki bahai batare akoi ki sarkar lainge di hoji ki sarkar sina kari laibunu khangde yamna ki na hai sar hai do priganu ko sarkar sin loirabani ko manungda pura horabani loirabani hai ba akoi da harau rim phareda Narendra Modi ji ki government ada BJP government lairamina sidasu BJP na luchingba sarkar lairamina matam khradi moina Manipur praja singi afaga tawrak sunu haida bor pige khara yamna phahan biro Manipur ki praja singji nuai han biro posai loina maman hongan biro haina aphoi lai from Nigeria.
UCM urged the state government to reaffirm the decision taken regarding the Naga Framework Agreement during the two-day State Assembly monsoon session, which starts tomorrow. Speaking to media in a press meet held at UCM office today, UCM President Sunil Karam stated that the interlocutor of Naga Framework Agreement, R.N. Ravi, has assured to conclude the Naga issue by October this year. He added, despite repeated submission of memorandums by UCM and CCSK demanding to clarify people's confusion regarding the Naga Framework Agreement, there is no positive response yet. Sunil further appealed to reaffirm the decision both by opposition and ruling party in the upcoming assembly session.
Nagaland ki governor aduga interlocutor du oriba R.N. Ravina tang kun swaida prime minister ki office tagi October ki manungda loisinana bagi ingitnam kak pire haibagi wafam ka miyam da thamki porakadu waroi sinase masida UCM na hangi framework agreement na sida yauri wafam ase Manipur miyam da laingak ta karim ta khangandana hektana loisilagani haiba wafam ase aikoi si yab suang amoy Manipur government orisanu India government orisanu karib Manipur ki territory natraga Manipur ki ethnic line da divide tarpo taragadi aikoi Manipur government amusu India government na Manipur gi sugumlaba pamdaba thodok thorpa matamda responsibility punamakse pudana bui damakta sab Manipur miyam ihul khangna Manipur government na assembly da warep lobiyu India government na 2001 da thokiba incident na do amukana tholo haiba taragadi Manipur miyam gi interest ngak.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization, while welcoming the framework agreement, has however reiterated that the organization will never accept the agreement if ever challenges the integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media in a press meet held at MMWO office today, organization's General Secretary Amin Nudin Mojing Mayum stated that people of the state should remain attentive as interlocutor of Naga peace talks. R.N. Ravi was appointed as Nagaland's governor by the central government. He alerted people of the state, stating that such steps might lead to uninvited happenings in the state. Aminuddin also expressed that every stakeholders of the state must be consulted before the agreement came to its final conclusion. He also maintained that MMWO and Muslim residents of the state will take up every possible measure if the agreement ever affects the integrity of the state.
R.N. Rabina, Nagaland gi governor oina India government na hapsilak pase asi lamdam masiki miyam na yam na mikup na hom single from thoi aduga miyam da asoba sapu mo pirok roi hanga leti loira na India government amsung NSIN IM gi warosin purak na bhona bada stakeholders sing suni yaw phom thoi aduga naron da kari gumba India government na masi di warosin purak na bhona bata gadi lamdam masiki miyam na siba amasung hingbagi di lai de lepaga khongpam se lepli habase masi media gi manga thamjage.
MP of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, claimed that rice reserves of the state has been increased following the Consumers Protection Bill, which was passed during the first session of the 17th Lok Sabha. He was speaking at the 28th Foundation Day celebration of Consumers Club Manipur at Lamyanba Shanglin today. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan expressed disappointment that different states of the country have optioned various PDS products, including sugar, while the state has only acquired rice grains. He urged people to raise their complaints over the insufficiency of PDS products in the state to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mobile application. He appealed the consumer to execute their rightful duties and responsibilities.
Consumer amagi rights si karino haibasi aikoi khangdaba yadabani haibasima ai thamjaningi aikoi haibang amagi guts to thongna do aikoi leiba tai masigi damuktani consumer club Manipur na chahi kunipan sangna miyam khudimukta consumer gi rights se kadai bhog leige na aikoi da masigi awareness sama piri basa aikoi bu khangali basa masi thabak tai aikoi onthokmina si sima sarkar na piri scheme sida aikoi da minamaga pirakpa sing do madudi khudak ta dum haibada hujiki prime minister sidi madugi damukta leibane bharat ki tongan state sing da kari polam singrabage adu singhouda ba item do karam leibak no karam state no do adusu full san da pirage ya adu yengaga kari gi singdrino kaido wai singdrino haisina praja miyam na madumadi haibiro aduga loinana karigumba aingonda yathang pibining ba lerega so dum pibiro aduga ina praja gi tawungam singdudi ai tawna.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham urged the need to preserve religion and the culture of Meitei in order to save the Meitei community. He was speaking at the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected members of Amai Piba Apullob Apal Kanglek Park held at the Haying Kongbal Ufong Yumfam, Lining Thau Sana Mahi Shanglin today. Speaking at the event, Minister Sham stated that unity and integrity among every individual and organization will only bring peace and development in the state. He asserted that awareness should be provided to the youths regarding our culture and religion to preserve our community. The minister further asserted that one must not rebuke another's community's culture or religion in trying to gain mileage of their culture.
Aikoina satsariba, aikoina pamzariba, inat se satpagaloinana, ariba, maitegi sanalon sat mayam sing se. Haura iba isha isu sing the Pachana, Kangan never gidamta, Akoi Dharmagi Shobaka, Pamba Darkar lay. Matamdu the Kanauma Dharma, Amatabu Hula Lubatauda. So what conference? Aikoi identity say, seen a Nakadrini. Aikoi Kanano say, Malem the Satakadori say, Akoi seen a Takadorine say, Hena Tungi Hauraban Harol Sing Sida. Kangan never gidamta, so what Toramka, Akoi sin Badarkar lay. Itiaski Achoiba Conchache. Akoina Kangaba Matunda, Madu Chumtopanga, Makatan never civilization, Chokot Balakadoisi. How could it has to Tainabagi Matau Tati? A no way it has some same Navigamuta, Kari died the Lomina Gatagian and Asi Alamalchina, the Virise, Sidagi and Mamaliamba.
Health Minister Langpolakpum Jayant Kumar appealed people to own Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Gi Tengbang card by every eligible individual. He was speaking at the inaugural event of Mega Free Medical Camp organized by Keshamthong NPP Development Committee at Pishumthong Ningombam Laikai Community Hall today. 20 doctors checked off more than 1,000 individuals as well as CMHT cards were also distributed to few persons during the camp. Speaking at the event, Minister Jayanta Kumar stated that CMHT card, which was initiated acknowledging the plight faced by poor people in medical facilities, is booming. He further short of organizing such mega health camps in various parts of Keshamthong constituency in near future.
Jaga members ne tawdaba adigi council tawdaba na habidu kari kanum matamda moina kawdagi na soibidagi tawung amugda bi yawragasu semesti card is the individual benefit hangadawa amasung lairebi pangke manung leba kangmusung da hangadawa bakli health benefit oibanina akoina sarkar na department na aisana amasung onabi chief minister na khoin pamjabada yaragi mipum gunmak lairibi mayam singse masi loinmak rajniti ki khenaba adui khenaba loina kaktok piraga CMHT card same it is your right. Nangi right ni nang hamam thokni adan madu logo thokpiru adana madugi apilama ai mayam khutang madu.
JEC formed against the suspicious death case of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School drew the attention of the ministers and MLAs of both the ruling and opposition parties to table and discuss the case of the deceased girl student of Standard Robert School in the State Assembly session, which starts tomorrow. urging the government employees to join in the protest demanding justice for the girl student. The JC warned of shutting down government offices if failed to extend solidarity. Speaking to media in a press meet held at the Public Library Hall of Oripok Sarwanting L today, JC co-convener L. Ganeshwari alleged the government of not taking the case seriously. He further asserted that the JC will carry out various protests until justice is served to the girl student. He further appealed the people and the women vendors to carry out protest demonstrations by wearing black blades tomorrow.
Sigi maraktagi akoi co-convener Janupa Pratap Nangasi Jara Helapan Masing Kara Yamsilage. Adu Pava the Su Karisu of Sabide. Aduna, Akoina Jangsila Eba Mianguluna, Jangiba Kunjangsida, Sum Sarakar, Sina Dasan, Nadarana Laira Gadi, Sarakaki employing Su, JSC Kunjangasida Saruk Yabiu, Karigumba employing Sina Saruk Yarakta Bataragadi, Akoi Sarakargi, Loisang Singsu. Akoi JSC Mianguluna, Tingin Bagi Kunjanga, Jangsilakani Haina, Media, the JSC Michael de Tamjari.
Women folks of Kangjabi Leirak, Mainam Laikai, Khoirom Laikai, Tongkham Laikai, Soram Laikai and Lalambong extended solidarity to the hunger strike protests carried out under the aegis of a JC formed against mysterious death case of girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School today. The JC has been demanding unconditional release of the arrested members of JC as well as to serve justice to the girl student. Speaking to media, one protester lamented that the government's assurance to serve justice to the girl student is not put into actions. She maintained that the government, instead of working on the case, has been targeting the JC members who are demanding to unveil the truth. The protester urged the authorities concerned to act as per the interests of people and serve justice to the girl student.
Miamna Changsilliba Khongjangi Marakta Sarkarna Ayetpa Pibigano CBI gi interrogation bu Honorable Chief Minister no Oibigadoribra Baby Sanagi Misigi Tigatpagi Chechang Tebanda Loina Laire Yengulau Habi Kibdo August Taramargi Pabada Government Chief Minister Haidna Habiki Baby Sanami Sigi Matanga Tau Haba Kudimak Tauge Irang Tobigano Haikiba Wa Kaya the Pajakraba Wahino No Ambagadi Kau Kramane Makakari Sutakite Nasi August Kumanga Were Praja Ikoina Pamjaba Sibia Natijinba Hohon Biro Natrabadi Akoi Praja Miamna Akanbu Kongjang Kaya Matang Matang Jangshin Nanaba Siem Saduna Lejeri.
Thoubal District Excise said ablated a huge quantity of country and foreign-made liquors worth around 5 lakh rupees in front of Deputy Superintendent of Excise Office in Thoubal Mini Secretariat today. A combined team of Thoubal Police Station and Hairok Police Station reportedly seized the liquors and handed over to Thoubal Excise. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on cremation ceremony of former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley with full state honours today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley was cremated at the Nigam Board Ghat with full state honours in the presence of leaders from across the political spectrum and scores of his admirers and party workers today. Jaitley's son Rohan performed the last rites. The 66-year-old BJP stalwart passed away at the AIMS Saturday. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, BJP veteran L.K. Advani, Party President and Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Party's Working President J.P. Nadda, Union Ministers Nirmala Sitharaman, Smriti Irani and Anurag Thakur, BJP MPs Vijay Goyal and Vinay Sahasrabudhe, Congress leaders Jyoti Aditya Scindia and Kapil Sibal were among those present at the cremation ground. Chief Ministers of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Bihar and Uttarakhand, Devendra Fadnavis, Vijay Rupani, B.S. Yediyurappa, Nitish Kumar and Trivendra Singh Rawat respectively were also there. Earlier in the day, his body was taken to the BJP headquarters from where it was carried in a flower-decked gun carriage to the cremation ground. BJP workers and mourners queued up in large numbers outside the party headquarters since morning to pay their last respects to the leader. Manipur State Legal Services Authority held a one-day interaction cum and discussion program on matters and issues of Manipur State Legal Services Authority and District Legal Services Authorities at Hotel Classic Grande in Chingmeroma today. Speaking at the event, Judge of Supreme Court of India, Abhay Manohar Sapre, stressed on the various plights facing the legal services institutions. Chairman Justice of Guwahati High Court N. Koteshwar and Chairman of Manipur State Legal Services Authority K.H. Nobin took part in the event. All Manipur Newspaper Sales and Distributors Association held its 38th Foundation Day celebration at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking at the event, General Secretary of the association L. Surjit urged people to refrain from spreading misleading statements on the hawkers when the newspapers are not published. The association expressed unfortunate over the absence of Health Minister L. Jayantakumar in the event. L. Surjit asserted that the event was mainly held to curb unemployment rates and develop work culture in the state. Chief Minister Gi Hakshalgi Tengbang CM HD card were also distributed to the members of the association at the event. A book titled Sinfam Duda, written by member of the association S. Raghumani, was also released on the occasion. Attendees paid floral tributes to the late members of the association during the event.
Yoksung manungsi suti numit humnidang tharaga nini ima tenjalaga madom da laknaba ekhoisu khabar phonga de khoi soidra laksagani ekhoi service soidana tawjagani adubu kana gumba print media khradi chai supa khabar phongi ga hairaga phongi basina kamaina tawuno do ai ekhoi effects body sing su madu jingsalanningi ekhoi masen marakta khara mana khabar chapma khara mana lepa habse ekhoi masen gi marakta ju understanding leina dabama he thoe masuguma thokdoksi thoktanaba masi masu sinbiu ekoi hawker sing na lisang china chai kuntra nipan kuntra mapan service tawjadana laksabase ekoi da tanaramdana ekoi gi ba makoi gi ba dedicated hawker ga thamdana natraga kana guma sangom yon bakara dasu makoi gi khabar puhandana ga tawraga tawba madugi duba yarga di madu atu matam dilepiu.
Imag Hall held its 6th Literary Meet 2019 at MDU Hall in Yeshkul Police Lane, Imphal today. A poetry competition was also held as a part of the event. Convener of Manipuri Language Advisory Board Sahitya Academy, Nongmai Them Kiran Kumar, and President of Imag Hall, R.K. Gunachandra, graced the occasion. 33 youths between the age of 15 to 30 years recited their own poems at the event. Department of Post Manipur Division conducted a written quiz competition to provide philately scholarship scheme to the students under Din Dayal Sparks Yojana at Tampasana Higher Secondary School today. Taking part in the event, Superintendent of Post Office, Department of Post Manipur Division K.S.H. Ibomcha stated that the competition aimed to conserve the philately products used in postals. K.S.H. Ibomcha asserted that 40 selected students from the competition will be provided a scholarship of 6,000 rupees each annually. Altogether, 163 students from class 6 to 9 took part in the competition held for the third time in the state.
Scheme si angang amada akoina sahi amada lupa lesing taruk Department of Post ki site gi pijabani yauri bangang chingsi school kutimak te school ayamba school Manipur gi ayamba school lagi akoina newspaper da kaida publish tawraga makoi competition si yawba lakbani asengbadi masi akogi Department of Post ki philately product si promote tawnon lagi nokta Din Dayal first yojana harba scheme si Magi maming Dindal, we Pandit Dildal ki maming Lauraga, higher by scholarship scheme si Department of Post na PIVN.
Rotary Club of Imphal organized a tree plantation drive at the surroundings of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JANIMS, today. Speaking to media, President of Rotary Club of Imphal, W. Rabi Chandra, stated that the tree plantation drive was held under the theme Save Mother Earth to curb climate change to some extent. He also assured of organizing such tree plantation drives in various parts of the state in near future too. JANIMS staffs took part in the event. Speaking to media, JANIMS Medical Superintendent Dr. N. Jitendra lauded the initiatives of Rotary Club. He assured of taking up every possible measures to grow the tree saplings which were planted today.
koi pitri sida ahinga sagi marunda khonga iba mayam singa se khadoi su check to bangam na ba koina save mother art haiba theme sida koina pangthok chabani ngasi chorakna koina makam tongan tongan ba koigi u makhal koina chahum henna koigi trip planation nang sida koi thare amadi makha tana koi satha jagini
ngasi akoi jenims ki damak ta di yam laiba khoba numini akoi gi sitpa nan ba mathang mathang imphal is police na su to bi gre hojik rc imphal na akoi ngasi se u pambi phaja phaja ba mayam ama ngasi akoi gi ai ngasagi phibam kanana ba amasung jenims asibo koina clean jenims green jenims ama onthokna ba pandam da ona jabani aduga akoi policing da su mateng nijagre thari ba u singse moina yengchan bi ba sing chai bi ba akoi na su chalaga yengchan ba adu ngasi gi u singsi hingan ba se u thaba do akoi pandam ni adubo u hingdragadi u thaba gi pandam leite aduna thari ba u singsi su hinganna ba gi akoi kan hona jagi ha ba sa thamjari.
Voluntary Network for Green Earth organized a tree plantation drive entitled The Unexpected Dedication to XYZ in the name of Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, Chief Minister Nongthom Birane, representatives of people and eminent sportspersons of the state today. The tree saplings were planted at the surroundings of Kangabok village. The voluntary network also assured to plant more trees in near future to make the place more greener. Vice Chairman of Manipur Infrastructure Development Agency, MEDA, come MLA of Wangoi, Oinam Lukoi, led people in planting various tree saplings around CHC Wangoi areas today. Speaking at the event, MLA Lukoi asserted that the tree saplings often from Forest Department were planted to help in combating climate change. He gave assurance of holding the event in various areas of the Wangoi constituency. Staffs of Wangoi CAC, Ayush and National Rural Health Mission, ASHA workers and police personnel took part in the event.
Mafam khudingmakta jaga khudingmakta bidana chaura aga ekhoida masina kanaba akhoida ngasi thengneriba awaba mayam chingche makhatana sigumba problem sing asi thengnadanaba koi khudingmakki wakhanda koi u thabiriba chingchi thare haiga tokpa khatana tana kamaina hon chige karamaina moji protect toksige karamaina thuna moji chawhon chige haiba adugi wakhalon dugo loinana koini sai sana office kabiraga su emo in charge na or laibiriba staff punamangna koini tharamiba u singase ngahak ngahak tang hingibra haibana chingwa chugumba ai wakhalon je puchen biraga koi punamangna lambi sida leptana changchalabde koi thengnariba waba mahusagi khan kairaktana prakriti gi khan kairaktana miyoibada piriba chaithing chingase soi.
Member of Lilong Jila Parishad cum Jila Parishad Adaksha of Thobal, Hasiba Begum has repaired cross-regulator dam of Lilong Athokong which remained defunct for the past decade. The cross-regulator dam was used to provide irrigation facilities to various paddy fields. Earlier, farmers were apprehensive over this water scarcity problem being faced in the state agricultural fields. Later, the Adaksha of the area also inspected the paddy fields. Universal Caring Mission organized a program entitled Strengthening of the Girls' World under the sponsorship of Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, at Open Shelter Home in Bishnupur Market today. Speaking at the event, Officer of District Child Protection Bishnupur N. Nandasham appealed people to treat children in such homes equally. Book Club Imphal published its tri-monthly magazine titled Hidden the Chumthang today. Retired IAS R.K. Nimai released the magazine during an event held at Imphal Peace Museum in Maibam Lokpaching in Bishnupur district. Speaking at the event, Chief Editor of the magazine, cum founder of Book Club Imphal, Pooja Langbam stressed the need to read books to become a successful person in the future. She asserted that the club has initiated various works to inculcate reading habits to the upcoming youths of the state. She maintained that as a part of such initiative, the club published the magazine, which includes the articles of various writers of the state.
हौरइबा अखोई फ्यूचर ऑफ द सोसाइटी से लर्निंग हाइबसे याम नुंगाइबा पोट अमनी अदुगा लर्निंग हाइबसे मी म्याम पार्टिसिपेट तौगदमनी अंगांग म्याम पार्टिसिपेट तौगदमनी अदुगा लर्निंग थ्रू रीडिंग बुक्स एंड थ्रू म्यूजिक थ्रू डिफरेंट मीडियम आइना प्रमोट तौजबनी अदुगा हिदेन द चुमथांग हाइबसे हिदेन हाइबना अखोईगी पोर्ट ओइबा अखोई सेफ हार्बर ओइबा अदुगा चुमथांग आइसिना अखोईगी रेनबो अखोई डिफरेंट आइडियाज डाइवर्स थॉट्स डाइवर्स स्टोरीज म्याम से पुतोक चदिंगबा अखोई डिफरेंट अखोई चिंगतम गी वारी अखोईगी पुयागी वारी अखोईगी फुगा वारी अखोई म्याम से थाइना अहन म्यामना वारी लिरम म्याम से अखोई पुनसलगा अखोई वारी अखोईगी अनौबा वारी सु फोंदोकनिंगबगी अंगांग म्यामदा मोइना कंट्रीब्यूट तौजरगा सेमदोखिबनी.
A book titled Lin Amasung Leichon, written by Dr. Nomaitem Pramodini, was released today. Library and Information Center, Kakching, organized the event at the hall of the library in Fausupat Laikai in Kakching district. 9 short stories are included in this 166-page book, which is written in Meitei Mayek and Bengali script. Many people working in various fields attended the event. Daina Moirangthem was selected to participate in Asia Youth International Model United Nations Conference at Malaysia. Daina from Kangabok Maishram Laikai, Thobal district is pursuing BA LLB 9th semester at Punjab's Desabgad University. She will speak on the involvement of child soldiers in war at the conference. Manipuri player Laikuram Bitin has bagged gold medal in 25 to 29 years category of the Asian Ironman 70.3 mile championship held at Bitin in Indonesia. Bitin is also qualified to participate in the World Ironman Championship to be held at the New Zealand on November 28 this year. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Outsiders without proper documents are being checked at foreigners police checkpost Jiribam. Around 300 individuals enters Manipur on daily basis. MPCC President Gaikangam lambasted the BJP-led government for enacting a divide and bring policy and not divide and rule policy. UCM appeals to reaffirm the decision taken by the state government regarding Naga Framework Agreement and State Assembly monsoon session, which starts tomorrow. Former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley cremated with full state honours at the Nigam Bodh Ghat in presence of leaders from across the political spectrum today. And rice quota increased for Manipur. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan laments that Manipur does not take any other PDS items other than rice.